Alrighty, so let's take a look at the process of adding some of the files that we want to our Visual Studio Code. Alright, let's just say that we have Visual Studio Code running without any content or anything like that. And what we would like to do is we would like to download our competency files and bring them into our text editor. So as I mentioned today, before you can view the Dropbox folders, you have to take the module release quiz. These quizzes are pretty lightweight. They're only a couple of questions each. Once you answer these questions, however, the module becomes available to you in Dropbox. That's what that little icon right there means. That's a release condition. Once that condition has been met, you should then be able to see, your interface will not look like mine, but you should see the zip file become available to you. Once you've downloaded that file, you can open it up somewhere on your hard drive. Okay, so I'm going to go to my documents, make a new folder. Let's call this WebDev1. Go in there, make a new folder or whatever you want to, and call it competencies. And then you can then take that file and drag them into your competencies folder. So now that you've got your file here, now if you normally what you would do is you right click open with and open with something like Visual Studio Code, and it should work. It should be able to open it up just inside of this document, no problem. Okay? Sometimes it doesn't. Now if you right click and say open with Visual Studio Code, it should open it up and be ready to edit. However, if you do this and it doesn't work for whatever reason, all right, let's say it doesn't work, and I say drag it over here, nothing happens, what you can do is you can say open folder. And when you say open folder, then you can go in, you can specify a folder wherever you are. Let's remember here, I went to Documents, I created a folder called WebDev1, I created a folder called Competencies, and I want to open up folder 1. I can select this folder, and yes, I trust. Now, you can trust everything as part of competencies, or you can do this one at a time, but it's saying you're going to open up a bunch of stuff. And once you open the folder, the file will be available to you along the side, and you can edit it. Either one. I don't really care, all right? You can hide this. I can't remember how to hide this. There's a way of hiding this so that it's not visible. Collapse Folder Explorer. Okay, there we go. That gets rid of it. So again, if drag and drop doesn't work, or if right click, send to, or open with Visual Studio Code doesn't work, then there's a folder explorer. Open up the folder, new folder, or there will be a folder button there. Specify the folder as we did earlier, and then you'll see the file, and then you can edit the files individually. If you have a folder open, the file should be listed and allow you to edit them individually. Once you've done that, then you go back here and you zip up and upload your work into the appropriate Dropbox, as you've done with your other programs. If you have any problems, any questions, let your instructor know, and we'll deal with them in class. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.